Hello everybody, it's me Liz Marie, and in today's video we are going to play with yet another Unearthly palette because I went crazy. I'm a little obsessed and there's still yet more I would love to get, but yeah, we're gonna play with the leather and lace. I'm sure you may have seen it, possibly. It looks a little something like this. And yeah, we're just gonna play with it. I did my base and my blush, bronzer already, my brows. And we're just gonna mainly play with this palette. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I have a sort of idea what I want to do with this palette, but once again, it's kind of two-toned and I'm limited on brushes. And my brushes are also very dirty. So we'll just see how this turns out. I'm just gonna have fun playing with my makeup as per usual. So what's the first color I want to go in? I think I want to take this color Vintage, this green color here. And I don't know if I tapped in too much, but actually I'll just use the mirror in here. And blend out the concealer, and I'm gonna go with this color in the inner half of my crease. But yes, I'm gonna start off like that. I'm gonna next go in with a Venetian right here and do the same thing on the other eye, just with this purple color. Okay, place this. Oh no, I feel like already this purple was more impactful than that green was. Strange. Oh, these mattes are very soft, if that makes sense. I can always go back in and try to build these colors like so. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Redwood. Don't know how. Oh, actually, maybe Whiskey? If Whiskey doesn't work out, I'll go in with Redwood. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this brush with Whiskey and start blending that in the center of my crease. I'm gonna do it on both sides. And this is what we have so far. Okay, and then I'm gonna take let's do olive right here, and we're going to put this shade on the outer part of the cream. I'm not having the best time with this palette. I was really excited to have this palette too. So I don't know what's the dealio. And then I'm gonna go in with aubergine on this eye. Oh no, that is pigmented. You see that? That is what I was expecting for like all of them. Oh, I probably picked up too much. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. We're just gonna be careful. Oh yeah, that's like, that was way too much. I'm gonna try to make that green more vivid. That purple shade is what I was expecting the rest of the shades to be like. But they're not as pigmented as that. I wonder if it's just my palette, or if everyone's palette is like that. And maybe it's because this is the middle shade and not the deepest shade. The deepest shade is a black, but I want to go into black with on both eyes. So that's kind of why I chose to do it the way I did. But let's try to build up olive. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and just fluff away around the edges. You go back in with whiskey again. Venetian. Just gonna go in with the black now. And just take a pencil brush and add it to both sides. And I'm gonna go in with some more olive and blend it in. I don't understand what's going on, guys. This is not the experience I was expecting. I was so excited to get this palette. And I used to, Fairy Frolic, it wasn't hard to blend the color at all in my eye, even though I only used like 3 shades in the last video. And then I used Sleepover palette and that one was fine, I feel like. I don't understand. Is it because it's green? Is that what the problem is? Is it just me? Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. Okay, let's stop. I may be working in silence for a while, so I'm just gonna put music over this while I try to figure this eye look out, okay? I hope you guys stick around. You know, not all eye looks are gonna be perfect. Okay, we are going to leave the eyes. It's just, the black just did not want to blend. I'm like so sad. It's probably the way I put it on, but I wasn't expecting that at all. Purple side doesn't look as bad, but like, I kind of want to take it off and throw over, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just gonna start going in with the shimmers. And I'm just gonna use all 3. I'm gonna start with the purple. And I'm just gonna put it on the outside, on both sides. Okay, even, I feel like that's sticking down weird too. Or is it just me? I think it's fine. Okay. First color I put on was the purple, which is called Applique. I'm gonna now go in with this middle shade called, I can't, Point to Egypt. I probably said that wrong, but I'm gonna go in with this. In the middle portion of my, oh no, that's super shiny. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, the shimmer just immediately lifted my mood after trying to mess with these mattes. I am gonna keep playing with this. I feel like there's something that's going on that might not be the palette. I want to believe that is it. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this lightest shade called Chantilly. We're gonna, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my soul just entered a new shimmer dimension. Oh no. Unearthly, all your shimmers should be this formula right here. Yes, 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 yes. I'm gonna use my finger to blend between the shades. Oh. You know what? This eye doesn't look half bad. And I like this. This could use a little more work, but it's okay. Yeah, this eye isn't my best work either. It's a little messy. I think I'm gonna use that Chantilly shade as a highlight. I won't say never, I rarely highlight. So I almost wanted to use my Odin's eye. I wanted to use Moon Talk, the green one, but I thought maybe I could give one of these eyeshadows a chance, and I'm going to put that on right here. There's like a pink reflect in this. I wonder if it's even picking up. Maybe I need a denser brush. Oh yeah. I would like to say that is pretty. I'm gonna put on my nose. I normally don't highlight my nose because I don't feel like my nose needs any more attention. That's pretty. I like it. I'm also gonna put on my brow bone. Let's go ahead and do that. I shall wash my brushes and play with this palette again. Oh, the shimmers are a winner though, for sure. And I want to say the purples. Can't really say that in like the orangey warm browns because I only touched one of the shades. And the black I'm not too happy with. It just stuck down. I think it might be the concealer I used. And maybe my brush, I don't know. I'm gonna figure this out, guys, and I will get back to you. The eyeshadows are super pretty. We're gonna have a brief intermission while I do my lashes, put some eyeliner in my waterline, and pick a lipstick. Be right back. So this is the first lip color I chose. It's Melts Voyeur, I think. Or maybe it's not. I'll list it down below, but I lined it with Victoria Beckham liner number 5. I believe that. I don't think this is the winner. I kind of like it. It's like a grungy nude. I do like it. It goes more with this eye though. I'm gonna try a more different color, and we'll see how that one looks. Okay, so I want to try this lipstick from Merit Avenue. Don't know. I might go with this eye. So I guess that's 2 lip color options for you. I'm gonna say I don't like the shape of the bullet lipstick on here because I feel like it's hard to match my lip line. Huh. I don't know if I like this one either. I love the color, I just don't know if I like it with this look. Nice color. I like it. Very nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on. 2 lip options for you guys. If either of these don't work and you play with this palette, I'm sure you could figure out something that you would enjoy more. But this is a little look. I have never been so frustrated in my life with a palette. But the shimmers are A+. Alright, so that was today's video. Playing with the Unearthly Leather and Lace palette. I was very excited for this palette. My experience with it today has kind of waned that excitement a little bit because I was just having a very tough time with the mattes. I don't know if it was just an off makeup day. You know how you can have those, just a makeup day that's just not working out for you. So I'm going to keep playing with this. As usual, I like to keep all my palettes on rotation, so I will get back to this. And hopefully I will remember to update my thoughts on this. This is just like a first impression. First time playing with it. I will say the shimmers are amazing. These are the best shimmers that I tried from Unearthly so far. Well, actually, the shimmers from the Fairy Fog, I only played with one of them, but it was quite shimmery, shiny, shimmy. You know? That was pretty nice. I don't know why I kept holding up the palette like that, but yeah. Lost my train of thought. Oh dear. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too much of a downer. I was really trying not to be like a Debbie Downer. But the shimmers really brought up my mood. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyways, I hope you had fun playing with your makeup, because I hope you did that while I was playing with mine. A little makeup play date. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Like and subscribe if you would like, if it pleases you. And we could be friends. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.